When dealing with a lot of data, you may sometimes want to double check and make sure no duplicates exist. Or conversely, you may want to highlight any duplicates to call attention to them. In that case, you can use a straightforward formula in Google Sheets. If you want to practice as we go, open a sheet that has a dataset you're working in, or click on the template in the description. Highlighting duplicates in Google Sheets requires conditional formatting using the custom formula equals COUNTIF. Here's how it's done. Using our practice sheet, see if the director column has any duplicates. Highlight the column you want to find duplicates in. Click Format in the top menu. Click Conditional Formatting. This will populate a box in the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a prompt called Format Cells If. Click on that and scroll to the bottom. Click Custom Formula Is. The COUNTIF formula tells Sheets where to look for duplicates. The information in the parentheses represents the column you want to track and the specific cell you want to start with. The information outside these parentheses states that you want Sheets to count duplicates or anything appearing more than once. Since you're looking for duplicate directors, you want to adjust the formula to read the C column. You can see how it begins to highlight repeat directors. Now that you know how to count duplicates in one column, you can learn how to adjust the process to count duplicates in multiple columns next. Let's say you want to check movie titles and directors, so columns B and C in this case. We've purposely added an error in the titles column, repeating Batman twice. You're going to clear any previous conditional format rules and repeat the steps until you get to the box where you'll input the custom formula. You can go about this in two ways. Number one, use Apply to Range. By highlighting the columns you want to check, you'll automatically tell Apply to Range what to concentrate on, but you'll have to adjust your custom formula to start with the value of that first column and first row. For your purposes, you're looking at columns B and C. That tells Sheets to start with B1 and go from there. You can adjust the range in Apply to Range as needed. Let's say you were looking at columns B and C, but now you want to include column B through F. Rather than clear the conditional formatting, highlight your new columns and start over. You can simply update the Apply to Range to read B1 to F999. Make sure the syntax of your formula matches the first value. For example, if you want to look at columns C through F now, you'll update Apply to Range to C1 to F999, and then make sure the function reads equals COUNTIF, C to C, comma, C1, and then greater than 1. Number 2, use absolute values. Absolute values are a way to specify where Sheets should look for duplicates with the $ symbol. You'll need to frame every cell with a $sign. Performing these steps will highlight your duplicates using one color. But if you have multiple duplicates, you won't be able to see how many of each duplicate you have. In that case, you'd want to do a pivot table, which can help you see and better understand the relationship between data. Highlighting duplicates in Google Sheets is one way to filter and clean your data. Follow along for more helpful tutorials, check the description for links, and look to Coursera for courses that can help you understand and work with data in your personal life and in your career.